Hello everyone, today I will show you how to solve this limit step by step. Most students get confused, but after watching this video you will understand it easily. We have this limit. Our goal is to simplify it step by step. First, we expand 3 minus n whole square and 3 plus n whole square using this formula. Here a is equal to 3 and b is equal a is equal to 3 and b is equal to n, so a square is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 3 into n, which is equal to 6n minus 6n, and plus b square is equal to n, which is equal to n square. Also 3 plus n whole square equal to 9 plus 6n plus n square. So here put these two values in equation number 1. What will we get? Limit n tends to infinity 3 minus n whole square equal to 9 minus 6n plus n square plus 9 plus 6n plus n whole square divided by this value 9 minus 6n plus n square plus minus 9 plus 6n plus n whole square. Cancel the like term, which 6n will be cancelled to minus plus 6n, and if we multiply minus to this equation, what we will get? Minus 9, which is cancelled to plus 9, and n square is multiplied by plus n, which equal to minus n, so n square will be cancelled to minus n square, and this two value will be minus negative. So what we get? Limit n tends to infinity, this is 18 plus n and n to n square divided by minus 6 and minus 6 minus 12n. If I take 2n common here, so what we will get? Limit n tends to infinity, and take it 2n here, so 2n, if I take it 2n common here, so 9 divided by n plus n divided by minus 12n. We know that if the numerator and denominator are the same, they are cancelled, so n is cancelled with n. 2 by minus 12 is a constant, so move it firstly. 2 divided by minus 12, move it firstly, and limit and divide by infinity, n divided plus n. Here minus 2 by 12 is same to same, and put the infinity in the place of n, so 9 divided by infinity plus infinity, which is equal to, we know that every number is divided by infinity gave us 0, so minus 12 by equal to 0 plus infinity. So here multiply this with this, so minus 12 divided by 2 into 0 plus minus 12 minus 2 divided by 12 into infinity. 0 is same to 0, and we know that every number is multiplied by infinity, we get infinity answer. This limit equal to minus infinity. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more math trick.